The 2024 Ford Everest Wildtrak is a new addition to the Everest range, borrowing the Wildtrak badge from the Ranger lineup. Positioned as a slightly more rugged and cheaper alternative to the range-topping Everest Platinum, it features distinctive exterior additions and offers a blend of on-road refinement and off-road capability. Pros: Punchy V6 diesel engine. Handsome Wildtrak exterior add-ons. Balanced mix of on-road and off-road performance. Cons: pricier than the Sport model with minimal additional features. Lacks some key equipment found in the Platinum variant. Limited edition status, at least for the time being. Pricing: 2024 Ford Everest Wildtrak 4WD V6, $74,704. All prices are before on-road costs. Under the bonnet, engine, 3.0L turbo diesel V6. Power, 184 kilowatts. Torque, 600 Newton meters. Transmission, 10-speed auto. Driven wheels, full-time four-wheel drive. Weight, 2,488 kilograms. Fuel economy, claimed 8.5 L/100 km. The Everest Wildtrak features the top-tier turbo diesel V6 engine, offering 4H and 4A drive modes for on-sealed surfaces, along with low-range and a locking rear differential for off-road capabilities. Interior: the Everest Wildtrak interior includes various features, with standard offerings like a 10.1-inch Sync 4 touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and more. The seating configurations, materials, and additional options are detailed for each trim level. Safety: the Ford Everest, including the Wildtrak variant, holds a 5-star ANCAP safety rating. Standard safety equipment comprises airbags, autonomous emergency braking, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, and more. Cost to run: the Everest comes with a 5-year, unlimited kilometer warranty. Maintenance is required annually or every 15,000 kilometers, with the first 5 services capped at $329 each under the capped price service program. Conclusion: while the Everest Wildtrak maintains the solid foundation of the base car and offers an appealing Wildtrak name and eye-catching paint, the review suggests potential buyers consider other models in the Everest lineup. The Everest Sport provides V6 power and a robust equipment list at a more economical price, while the Everest Platinum offers additional luxury features. It encourages a thorough examination of available options before making a purchase decision.